Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this week is a amazing big week for Google Chrome security updates. It is extremely important to update Chrome, and it will be extremely important to update the Chromium-based browsers. 31 security flaws are fixed this week. If you go into the upper right corner, help and about Google Chrome, you will be updated to 147.0.7727.102. Now, in there, 5 are rated critical, and usually critical equals 0-day exploited in the wild. They are keeping quiet on that, but I'm pretty sure that there are some 0 days exploited in the wild, and not 1 or 2, but 5 critical flaw. That is huge. A lot of high severity security flaws also, which is also a big thing. So 31 security flaws this week. This is pretty incredible when we're used to seeing Google Chrome with 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 flaws every week. But this one is just insane, and especially with the 5 high critical flaws, it makes this week's update really important to apply if you want to stay safe. This is the number one way you keep safe on the internet, is by actually having all of the security flaws fixed. So it's very important, and it will be very important to check out, Edge, Opera, Vivaldi, Brave, and all of these Chromium-based browsers this week, because it is a whopper of a update. So go and check it out. Make sure that you're up to date. It's very important to stay safe with your browser. It is, after all, your first line of defense. It's what you use to go on the internet most of the time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.